We've just walked 30 seconds from our campsite. Ed and I, the other guys are coming, and this is what is right in front of us. You got no idea. It's like a painting. It's just incredible. Words cannot describe how amazing this place is. And not just that, it snowed yesterday, and all this is for us. Ed, what do you think, mate?
Staggering.
Isn't it, mate? Once in a lifetime.
Yeah. Beautiful view of you.
Yeah, it's nice.
Okay. Okay. Jeff,
Good morning.
good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Slept good.
Excellent. I didn't hear the same from Ed.
Let's just hope the images come out. That's what all you want, isn't it? You can't get any better than this. This is the top. I think anyone who's been to this area could say, if they've seen that, they must say that that's the peak of their landscape photography. We just come back from that amazing sunrise shot that you all saw.
Don't forget to pick up your box lunches.
Ed, what did you think about that, mate?
Oh, lost for words.
Lost for words?
Absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And
Would
forget
you
those
say-
conditions.
Would you say that was one of the most amazing experiences you've had?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Jeffrey,
It's brilliant.
brilliant?
Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Worth getting up for.
It certainly was, that's for sure. Federico?
Ciao, come va?
Oh, bien, muy bien. Elena?
Tutto bene, pronti per la salita.
Ah, she's ready.
Ready to...
Ready to go up the steep climb. We left our camp and we're now heading towards Laguna de los Tres. Getting our way through this snow. This is awesome, there's just no one around. This suspension bridge, you gotta go over one person at a time, otherwise it'll cave in. Jacket over your head, what a legend. That's what years of experience in photography gives you. Top. We're finally here and we've got clear conditions, which is really good because the last time I came here I didn't get anything. Just wanted to quickly go through what my Pentax K1 setup is. So I've got the Pentax K1 here, which I normally try and shoot in live view for contrast detection, and I've got the 15 to 30 lens mounted on here. I've got a case filter kit which is really good for the polarizer, which I'm using, and an ND4 grad. And also just want to show you in the bag what I've been taking on this trip. In here I've just got the f-stop bag inside a hiking bag, and at the top here I've been using this lens, which is actually an amazing lens. It's got a bit of humidity on it from the hike. This is the Pentax DFA 70 to 200 lens. God, I better leave that out in the sun. That's half drenched. Just as well this stuff's it's water resistant, otherwise that'd be the end of it. So I've been using this on this trip in Patagonia a lot for those really intimate shots. I've never used a zoom lens so sharp as this. It's an f2.8, so it's really heavy. It's a sacrifice carrying this lens in a bag, but it's just amazing. It's so sharp. And I've also got a 24 to 70, which I haven't been using too much because I've just been going wide and getting in on some intimate details, but the 24 to 70 is in the bag too, and I can't wait to get back home to get this stuff onto Photoshop and just show you guys what a brilliant system the Pentax K1 with the DFA lenses are. It's just amazing stuff. And yeah, this is the view, guys. It's been an amazing trip. We've been lucky enough to have some Pentaxians here with us. We've got Eleanor, which is taping at the moment. She's got a Pentax K70, which is quite a It's quite a very good kit system. It's not very expensive, and we're actually all blown away by the results of that that little kit there. Even night photography's just been incredible, hasn't it, Ed? Just for just for a kit camera, it's actually coming up with amazing results. It's got a very good little sensor on it, the crop sensor. And then we've got over here, we've got Mr. Jeff Hinty. Everyone know him from the Pentax K1 group. And he's also got a K1, and he's got his 15 to 30 DFA lens set up too. And you've also bought the 24 to 70 DFA, haven't you?
About the 24 to 70 and 70 to 200.
Okay, so we've got a very good kit.
It's been a good day to leave 70 to 200 home.
Yeah, I think it was.
I wish I would have.
You wish you would have. This is one of the moments we've been waiting for, to arrive at the secret waterfalls that aren't so secret anymore. Absolutely stoked out of our brains. There's actually only a couple of people here, so if you can hear me, this place is just amazing. What do you reckon, mate?
Unbelievable.
Thank you, Valeria.
You're welcome.
Just look at that. Isn't that amazing? Constantly cleaning my my lens because the spray that's coming off this waterfall is just crazy. I don't know if you can hear through the microphone there. I'm just setting up a composition here with a wide angle. They've just got a nice natural line of the rocks moving through, leading you into the background here. So I'm just exposing. Bring that up, exposing for the whites. I'm just bringing them right down till I don't get any more. Hang on f-stop, sorry. Exposed to the whites at f11 at 13th of a second, which is actually okay because there's that much water movement coming through. It's just you're getting that nice silk effect, but maintaining the dynamics in the water. So I've just got a case CPL polarizer on there. I'm focusing with contrast detection into the first third of the frame, and yeah, I'm underexposed by two spots, but that's okay. I can regain that back again. I turn off manual so I don't make a mistake. Fire away. Very underexposed image at the moment, but in post-production I'll be able to bring all that back up. That'll be a beautiful shot.